signal.
Yeah. Now we discussed about overloading now. Coming to the overloading, there can be two things. One is called method overloading. Second one is called constructor overloading. Constructor overloading. Now first of all, what we should do? Okay, coming to the method overloading. The rule is here is method name must be same. Method name. Okay, method name. Simple example. We need more than one method. We need more than one method. One method and all method names must be same. Is it clear? It's a rule. But what should be the difference? Okay, okay. Now look at now. But either number of parameters must be different. Parameters must be different, or okay, either types of parameter must be different, or okay, sequence of the parameter must be different. Is it clear now? Sequence of parameter must be different. In these cases, we can implement overloading, guys. Okay, now we'll see. Now, right click.
Kiran, I also think there is one more thing. Data types also, right?
That's called types of parameters.
Okay.
Understood? That is called types of parameters. You're with me?
Yeah, Kiran.
Understood, right?
Yeah, I got you.
Class simple. Look at now. Y add is taking into parameter. Y add into Y. It's two parameters. Y add index into Y into Z. You guys are with me? Y
Yes,
add,
sir.
add. Method names are same or not?
Yes.
All method names are same.
Yeah.
What is the difference? Number of parameters are different.
The parameters are different.
The first one is taking, okay, whenever I call the first one, here I want to pass some message like need two values. Need two values in order to, need two values to add. Okay, here just I'm calculating sum equal to x plus y system total I can say sum equal to plus sum. Is that clear now?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Coming to here, okay, plus z and done. Okay, now what is an advantage of this? The advantage here is the user need not worry about the method name. Okay, now look at now simple equal to new simple. He's calling the add method by passing one parameter. Will it be called?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Will it be called? Yes. He's passing two parameters. Look at now, he's not changing the method name. Will it be called?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. It is called.
Okay. He's passing three values. Will it be called?
It will be called.
Yes. Look at now, the user need not worry about the method name. Either he can pass one parameter, two parameter, three parameter. That's the beauty of overloading concept. Okay, method name is same. The number of parameters are different here. The first one is taking one parameter, second one is taking two parameters, third one is taking three parameters. This is called overloading concept. Okay, you guys are with me? It is sum
Yes,
of
sir.
two things. Sum of three things. Click now, right click, run as Java application. Are you able to see sum of three ins? Okay, now Coming to this now, I'm going to remove this now. Right click, run as Java application. That's now sum of two ints. If you pass one parameter,
Joins.
then also it will be called. Right click, run as Java application. You guys are with me? This is
Yes, sir.
called overloading methods. Okay, what is the difference here now? Number of parameters are different. That's the first statement. Okay, number of parameters must be different. Another case. I'm showing you all the possibilities, nothing about that. Simple, not simple. Demo 2. Right now, again, I'm going to the class simple. Right now, I'm going to write while print index. What the method name? What the method name?
Method name is print.
Method name is print. What parameter it's taking?
Integer.
Integer. One more method name is print. Double x. Which parameter is taking now?
Double.
Double. Types of parameters are different or not? Come on, guys.
Yes, sir. Different.
Also overloading. Look at now. Method name is same. The types of parameters are different. After this. Okay. Printing cap plus cap. Okay. Main. Yeah. If you're having any questions, you can ask me now. Is it clear now? Yeah. Now. Look at now. I'm creating an object for this. Simple. Because just try to understand the concept. These are all things we are going to use in the future. Please try to understand this. Print. I'm passing character. Now which one will be called now? Now is it integer value or character?
Character values.
How you think it's a character?
No, it's integer. It is in single quotes.
Single quote. It's a character. Keep in mind this. It's a character. Whatever you are placing in single quote, that's a character. But it must be single one. It's a character. Printing character. If you remove the single quotes, then it becomes what?
Integer.
Integer. Is that clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Printing int. Okay. If you are passing some double value, 5.9, then it's calling which one?
F.
Printing double.
Double.
Is that clear now?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you say printing print 5, then what happens? Which one will be called?
Integer.
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 Suppose the integer is not there. Suppose the integer is not there.
It takes double value.
It takes double because typecasting is going to be happen. Okay, integer is going to be converted into the double. First, it looks for exact match. If it is not there, it's going for upper version. Suppose I am trying to say 5.9. It looks for which method?
Double method directly.
Suppose double is not there. Are you able to see it showing the error?
Yeah.
Come on, guys. Because double cannot
Yes, sir.
convert to the integer. Integer can convert into the double because double is having the highest priority and meaning highest memory than integer. Yes or no?
Yeah.
I told you right. Data types.
Yes, sir. Double is.
About types of parameters, guys. Okay. The last you understood now, Vijay? Data
Yes,
types.
sir.
Huh?
Yes,
sir.
I want.
Yeah. Right. I'm taking the class simple. Okay. I'm going to take one more method. Void print index comma double y. How many number of parameters?
Two parameters.
Two parameters. What is type?
One is int and the other is double.
Int double. This is called double int. Sequence different or not?
Yeah.
Number of parameters are different. Types of parameters are different. Number of parameters are same. Types of parameters are same. Then what is the difference then here? The difference is sequence is different. First one is taking int double. Second one is taking double int. This is also overloading concept. Is it clear now? Simple equal to
Yes, sir.
new simple, right? Simple dot, I'm going to call print method by passing 12 and 23.4. Now which one will be called?
Print first method.
First one will be called, okay, int double will be called, right? If you pass double and int, which one will be called? The second one will be called.
Double.
It's called overloading
Mm,
concept case.
method.
If you pass two integers, then which one will be called?
First one.
Error. Error.
Error.
Why first one? It can be second one also, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, either first parameter is converting into the double or second parameter is converting into the double. It's an ambiguity. Suppose
Yeah.
if one method is
Yes, sir.
not there, if only one method is there, then the first parameter is converting into the double. You understand now? If the second method is not there, then second parameter is converting into double. When you're having two methods, it's an ambiguity. It's okay to conversion. You understand now?
Yeah.
Now you understood now overloading now? Tell me,
Yes.
how many ways we can implement overloading?
3 ways.
Three ways. Okay. But keep in mind this, it's focusing on only on parameters, not return type. Not return type. Only it's focusing on return parameters. You understand what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Focusing only on parameters. Suppose, okay, class, simple, okay, void, print, index, void, print, double, x. Is it overloading?
Yeah. This is overloading.
Overloading. What happened, guys? You are not speaking. Others.
Yes, sir. It is overloading, sir.
Okay, but both are taking the integer parameter. The first one is taking return type is void. Second type is taking return type is double.
Oh, double.
Is it overloading?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. It is still overloading.
No. Just now I told you. Okay, overloading. Okay, print return type will not comes under overloading. That statement only I use na. It's showing the error. Just
Okay.
check the errors over there. Overloading always
Yes, sir.
depends on what? Come on, guys.
Number
The
of
parameter.
parameters.
Number of parameters, types of parameters, sequence of parameters. Always parameter only, right?
Yes, sir.
Not return type. It's an invalid statement. Please keep in mind this. Okay, overloading is not depending on return type. Return type. Overloading depends on only on parameters. See, okay, it's showing the error. Why? Because okay, when the return type will come in the picture, after calling the method, before calling the method.
After calling a
After
method.
calling the method. After calling the method, the return type will come in the picture. But before that, we need to call the method, right? If you want to call the method, print the integer. Which one will be called? It's an ambiguity over here. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that will not come under here. If you're having any questions, you can ask me now.
I just wanted to confirm, like, because we are declaring one method as void and other method as double, so there is no method overloading that is going on, right?
Yeah, I'm talking about there's no overloading. Yeah, what you're saying is exactly correct.
Okay.
Overloading is not depending on what?
Return type.
Return time.
Uh, Overloading is not depending on return type. That we need to understand. Now, if you apply the same thing on the constructor, can I say the constructor overloading? Look at
Yes.
now. What is simple is a class. Can I say it's a constructor?
Yeah, it is constructor.
Can I say second one is also constructor, third one is also constructor? What is the difference?
Yes.
First one is taking how many parameters?
0,
Zero. Second one is taking how many parameters?
1,
Third one is taking how many parameters?
2.
Two. Murali, Raghu, Ajay, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, okay, can I say it's a constructor overloading? If you are implementing same rules on the method, it's called method overloading. If you use the same rules on the constructor, it's called constructor overloading. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Nothing other than that. Okay. Now come to this place. Java.lang. Okay. I'm taking one class called integer class. Otherwise, I'm taking the class name is called class. See here. What is the class? Can I say class name is a class?
Yes.
Come on, guys. From which
Yes.
package?
Java.lang.
Java.lang package. What is superclass for this? On top this, what is the class?
Object.
Object. O capital. Look at now. Always class name is class starting with capital. Look at now. What is an object? The class or not? Hey, it's not our object. Whatever we are creating, that is not our object. You guys are with me?
Yeah.
Yes.
This okay. Whatever we are creating here, this object is different. That object is different. There's a class name. Class name itself is an object. It is the supermost class in Java. We'll come to that point. Is it clear now? Yeah.
Yeah.
Come down. Okay, come down. Okay. What is the method?
For name.
For name.
Speak out, guys. I'm not audible. Could you speak louder? Yeah. What is the class name? What is sorry? What is the method name?
For
For
name.
name.
For name. What is the method name?
For name.
For name. Okay. How many parameters it's taking? First one.
1.
One. Second one is taking how many parameters?
3.
What is this concept?
Constructor.
Hey,
Overloading.
which overloading? Constructor or method?
Method overloading.
Method overloading. It's not constructor overloading. Come on, guys. First one is taking one parameter. Second one is taking 3 parameters. It's overloading or not?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Overload.
Hey, why is silent? I'm not getting. Okay. And there's a class called integer. Come down. Okay. What is the integer? What is this? What is the class name?
Integer.
Teacher.
Integer. Okay. This is the way we should work out. Not simple class, not ODemo class. To make you understand only, just I'm explaining this. What is this?
Constructor overloading.
Constructor. Excellent. First one is taking how many parameters?
1.
Second one is taking how many parameters?
1.
One. Then what is the difference?
Just the data type.
Data type. Can I say it's constructor overloading?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Following, guys. Okay. Now, what is this? Get integer. Get integer. One parameter. Two parameters. Two parameters. But difference here is what? Here it is a primitive type. Here it is a reference type class. Integer is a wrapper class. Come down. Come down. Okay. What is this method? Parse int. What is this method? Parse int. First parameter. One parameter. Two parameters. Can I say it's overloading now?
Yes.
Yes.
You understood what I'm trying to say? I'm showing the documentation itself directly. That's about overloading that we are going to use regularly. If you're having any questions, you can ask me now. Yeah. Come on, guys. Hope you understood. Yeah. Next,
Yes,
we'll
sir.
discuss about arrays. Okay. Now, before discussing about arrays, first I'll tell you how to reading values from the keyboard. Values from keyboard. Okay. To read the values from the keyboard, the easiest way, there are multiple ways are there. First, I'll explain to you. The way is called scanner class. Is that clear now? What is that? Scanner class. Okay. Scanner is a predefined class. I'll show you here itself. Scanner. Okay. Scanner is a predefined class. Scanner. Yeah. Whatever. Okay. Now, what are the default package in Java?
Java.lang.
Java.lang package. There is a package called java.util. In this java.util
Util.
package, there's a class called scanner. What is the class name?
Scanner.
Scanner.
Scanner. Okay. Now it's available in which package? Java.util package.
Yes.
So what is superclass here? Object. We'll come to that one later. Now come down. How to create a scanner object? Look at now. Scanner SC equal to new scanner. What I'm passing here? System.in. System.in in the sense reading the data from the keyboard. System.out in the sense monitor. System.in in the sense keyboard. Same like in your C language, printf, scanf. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. To read the integer value. Look at now. Can I say it's an overloaded constructor? Look at now. How many scanners here? Come on, guys. Overloaded constructor.
Overloading.
Overloaded, right? Now let's look at now. Come down. Look at now. Next method to read string value. Next big integer to read the integer value. Next byte. Next float. Next double. Next int. Are you following guys? Next long.
Yes,
Next
sir.
short to read the values. Okay. Method I'm going to use now. Right click. New class. Okay. Scanner demo. Yeah. Just take one class. Main method. Okay. Create an object for the scanner. Look at now, if you type this entire thing scanner is equal to, it's giving the error. Why it's giving the error? It's from which package? Java util package. So that we'll type the package. Import java util star, or we can say scanner. You guys are with me?
Yes, sir.
You are in your Ash include in your C language. But instead of typing this entire thing, look at now. Whenever you are typing the scanner class itself, type SCANNN, say control space. Control space. Some intelligence is coming or not?
Yes, sir.
Just select the Java util package scanner class. Press enter key. That's it. It's imported automatically. Come on, guys.
Yeah.
Scanner equal to new
Okay.
scanner. When you are creating the scanner object itself, we are passing system.in is a keyboard. Sorry, parameter. That. Println. Enter. Okay, employee number, employee name, and salary. Okay, reading those values. Int number equal to scanner dot next int. Okay, reading the name string. Look at now how I'm reading scanner dot next. Okay, reading the double value salary equal to scanner dot next double.
Next double.
Anyone having any questions? Okay, I'm taking some employee class. I'm going to paste it here now. Now in the employee class now. Okay, yeah, I'm having the employee class. I'm creating an object for this. Employee equal to new employee. This. You guys are with me? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It. Now look at now. I'm passing employee number, name, salary. Done. Employee dot print employee. Now we'll try. After this, we are going to close the scanner. Scanner dot close. It's optional, not required. Run as the application. Now what is asking now?
Key number.
Employee number, Ajay, 45,000. It's working or not? I'm not checking. Whatever values you want to enter, you can enter. 3, 4, 5. Vijay. Okay, 56,000. You guys are with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm done. There's a ways we can read the values by using scanner class update. Very simple. Create. Are we defining the scanner class, or it's already predefined?
Predefined.
It's a predefined. You guys are with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The one, guys. Okay. Next, I can implement the concept like arrays. Very, very simple concept. Arrays. Okay, array I told you. Used to store
Values.
more
True.
than
Decking.
value of similar
Same
type.
type.
Yes or no? Similar type.
Yeah.
Okay. Now how to create an array? We'll see that one. Now class array demo. Okay. Now just I'm going to create int x int arr square brackets equal to. Are you following now? Square bracket represents what? It's an array. Okay. Then new operator. I can say int again square brackets. I'm going to create 10 values. Is that clear now?
Yes.
Okay. How many variables are going to be created? First,
10 variables.
variables. What are the types of how the variables can be accessed? ARR of 0. Yes or no? ARR of
Yeah.
Yes.
1.
1.
ARR of 9.
10.
9.
Not 10, 0 to 9. Is
0
it,
to 9.
you understood now? This is about
Yes, sir.
creating an array. Then creating an array. I'll write here itself. Creating array. I want to create double array. Tell me how to do that?
One more.
Can I say double? One more also no problem. Is it double array?
Yes, sir.
Come on, guys.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It's a character array. Can I say it's a character array?
Yeah.
I want to create an employee array. Can I say employee array also?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. It's an employee array. Square bracket represents arrays. Keep in your mind this. Square bracket represents array. If it is an integer array, I can store 10 integer values. If it is double array, I can store 10 double values. If it is character array, I can store 10 character values. If it is an employee array, I can store 10 employee objects. Am I clear now?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that we'll see in the future also, but I'm taking as of now integer array. Let's go creating an array. Next, storing values into an array. Values into an array. Is that clear now? I'm creating the scanner object. Dynamically, I want to take. Why scanner? Is it compulsory?
Yeah, to give the input through keyboard.
Through the keyboard, dynamically. Yes or no? I want to enter the values dynamically. That's what I'm taking that. Otherwise, not required. Enter values. Okay. Now, you know for loop. What's now? Index. ARR.length. What is the array size? Length means it will give the size of the array. What is the array size?
10.
10. Instead of that, can I write 10 also?
Yes.
Yeah.
Loop is repeating from where to where? 0 to 9. Yes or no?
10. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
0 to 9. Okay, otherwise I can give the ARR.length. Anything is okay. But the only standard way is ARR.length. Okay, I'm reading the values. Here I'm going to store ARR of C index. Index. First iteration, what is the index value? What is the first iteration index value? 0.
0.
Then
0.
next iteration 1.
1.
Next iteration
1.
2, 3, 4,
2.
5. You guys are with me?
9.
6,
Yes, sir.
7, 8, 9. Yeah, like that in general index. You understood now?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Sir.
I want to display the values. Okay, array values. Just I'm reading and displaying, nothing other than that. Again for loop. Can I?
Yeah.
Standard println. Okay, I can say what I want to display now here. Okay,
Plus array.
error of index. That's it. Fill
Yeah.
blank. Right click, run as Java application. I'm entering some values. Displaying or not?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I want to display in proper way. Double quotes. What I want to display? ARR plus, just I'm decorating, plus yeah, plus. Right click, run as Java application. Okay, I'm displaying some values. Are you able to see now 10 values?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Try to understand this. Okay, here it is creating, storing, and printing. Yes or no?
Yes.
Printing values. Okay, for printing values, which for loop we used? Normal for loop. Yes or no?
Normal for loop.
There is a one more for loop will be there, guys. Is there? That is called enhanced for loop. What is that?
Enhanced.
Enhanced for loop. Try to understand this. Enhanced for loop. We are calling it's called for each or for each. This is there Java 1.5 version onwards. How to do that? For each. Are you able to see? ARR contains how many values? 1 value, 10 values.
10.
10 values. Okay, this is called each. Colon in the sense each. System.println. I'm displaying X here. I'm displaying what? X. Okay,
X.
just commenting this value sometime. Yeah, just commenting that. Yeah. Look at now, instead of writing this normal for loop, just I'm writing for each. ARR. Look at now, colon, before colon is variable, after colon is collection. That's called group of values. It extracting each and every value. That's called for each. It extracting each and every value and placing it to the left hand side variable, and it displays this. We'll try this. You understood now? Came or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is this now? We are calling it extracting. Okay, look at this now. Extracting ARR array. Okay, extracting values from array. Values from an array and stores into variable x. Can I?
Yeah.
The device is going to be extracted. Now, look at now in the previous one, we need to declare, we need to initialize, we need to check the condition, we need to do the increment. But here, no initialization, we are not doing any initialization, we are not doing any condition checking, we are not going for any increment. These all things will be done internally. Am I clear now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, this feature is there from Java 1.5 version onwards. If anyone is having any questions, you can ask now. You guys are with me?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
tell me when you can use the first for loop, when you can use this for loop for each, when you want to use.
If we want any conditions, then the first for loop.
Excellent.
If we just want to,
Excellent. If you want to start from particular location or if you want to stop at particular location, simple example, my array size is 100, but I want to start from 5th location. I want to start from 20th location. In that case, second for loop is not possible. For each will start from beginning, will ends at end. Okay, in that case, we'll go for this legacy for loop. This is old for loop. Thank you. Is that clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Still, if anyone is having any questions, you can ask me now. This is about arrays concept. Understood now? Okay. Instead of creating an array and storing values in different array, okay, I can create an array like this also. Creating, I'll do one thing, not here. I'll comment these all things. Which one I'm commenting now? I'll do one thing. I should comment in this. Okay. Otherwise, I'm going to take one more example. New array demo 1, array demo 2. Okay, instead of creating an array and storing the values separately, if you know already which values you are going to store, then directly I can say int x is equal to flower bracket. Are you following now?
Yes.
Now, it is creating and displaying for each. Done. You guys are with me? It's very simple. Already values are there or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I want to create string array, str. Otherwise, I can say names array. Okay, I know already what are the names we are having. Already I know. Ajay. Is it clear now? Okay, Vijay, Raghu, Murali. You guys are with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, for each. Okay, from okay, instead of string, just name. As that it's a names. Names means array. You guys are with me?
yeah.
Yes, sir.
I'm extracting and I'm displaying. We'll see. Coming or not?
Yeah.
This is another way. If you know what are the values we are going to store at the time of declaration itself, then we go for this approach. Yeah, overloading arrays for each. If you're having any questions, you can ask me now. Otherwise, I'm stopping here. We'll continue tomorrow at the same time.
Okay, sir.
Is that clear now?
Sir, what about videos, sir?
Yeah, videos I'm going to share today. I'm not finding the time actually. Once the completing this class, okay, I'm in a hurry. I'm in another class, other
Oh,
conferences,
session.
and going to
Okay,
the
sir.
office and coming too late. Okay, only this weekend. And
Okay,
this
sir.
weekend, don't plan anything. We are having huge session this weekends.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'm requesting everyone don't plan anything. Okay, this weekend we are having the long sessions. minimum 2 hour session.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na? Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay then, guys. I'll share everything. Don't worry.
Bye.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Raghu, in the group, just ping me your email ID. Raghu.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. You are having in group, right?
Yeah, in group.
Yeah. Okay then. Just ping me your email ID. Thank you. Bye bye,
Yeah,
guys.
sure. Yeah.
But please
Bye.
practice, guys. Please practice. And whatever, based on my concepts and whatever you know, just practice. Google it and practice. Open the Google, type overloading, and read all the things. Maximum things we are going to cover. Still, if you are having any questions, please let me know. But don't stop to practice.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
right? And one more simple suggestion. Do you know HTML and SQL?
Yeah.
Yeah.
HTML and SQL queries. Normal.
Basics.
Okay, just practice queries. Practice queries
Okay, sir.
and design small HTML pages also. Just focus on HTML. HTML, SQL. Not in depth, at least minimum things.
Okay, sir.
Okay, whenever you're having, okay, just to practice these things. HTML, JavaScript, okay, SQL queries. SQL queries is simple. Insert query, okay, insert query, update query,
And delete.
delete query, select query, joins. Any one join. Okay, just try to focus on these things, guys. Am I clear now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, there is a basic. If you don't know how to do this, I hope just for basics, W3 schools. Have you heard about this site?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Just go with this. You will find easiest way. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just
Yeah.
start doing this one also. In the next class, I'll explain to you what we need to learn more in the HTML. Because after 2-3 days, I'm going to use these all things. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes.